Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'll demonstrate you the exact steps how to configure and control a 12-volt RGB LED strip from Home Assistant using ANAVI Light Controller. Home Assistant is an open-source home automation software. It's written in Python 3 and it's compatible with Linux, macOS, and Windows. There are more than 1,000 components for integration with existing on-the-market Internet of Things. It's the perfect hardware for running Home Assistant. There are different ways how to install Home Assistant on a Raspberry Pi. The recommended way nowadays is to use HasOS. This is all-in-one Docker image built on top of build-root framework with Home Assistant add-ons such as SSH and Mosquitto. This tutorial is heavily based on the MQTT machine-to-machine protocol. It is designed for real-time communication, which makes it particularly convenient for home automation projects. It works on publish-subscribe transport via MQTT broker. There are many open-source MQTT brokers and MQTT client libraries for various programming languages. To control a LED strip, I'll be using ANAVI Light Controller. It is an open-source hardware device that I have designed with KiCad. It is suitable for controlling 12-volt LED strips, particularly RGB LED strips. These are low-cost, non-addressable LED strips. If you're interested in controlling addressable LED strips, have a look at my other project called ANAVI Miracle Controller. I have already downloaded it and installed HasIO image on a micro SD card that is running on my Raspberry Pi 3B. Now I'm installing the add-on Mosquitto. Mosquitto is an open-source MQTT broker written in the C programming language, which is very convenient for home users. After successfully installing Mosquitto from HasIO user interface, I need to set a user and a password, as well as to enable access control lists. The access control lists provides access to certain MQTT topics for a certain user. In this case, my user is demo. The password for this user is also demo. In order to edit the active control lists, I have also installed another add-on of HasIO, which is called SSH. It enables me to remotely access my Raspberry Pi and to create the required configuration files. Once we have successfully installed and configured the Mosquitto MQTT broker, we can proceed to the next step. Let's configure ANAVI Light Controller. First, attach a 12-volt RGB LED strip and plug an appropriate 12-volt power supply. On the very first boot, ANAVI Light Controller creates an Wi-Fi access point. From my smartphone, I'm connected to this Wi-Fi access point and a captive portal will guide me through the setup of ANAVI Light Controller. I have to select my local Wi-Fi network to provide a password, to provide the address of the MQTT broker that I have installed on the previous step, an MQTT username and password. Once I'm done and hit the save button, ANAVI Light Controller will turn off its own access point, then it will connect to my local Wi-Fi network and to the provided MQTT broker. If you don't have a smartphone, don't worry, you can do the same from your computer or a tablet. Step number 3 is to go back to Home Assistant Web UI and to configure an MQTT integration. Select Configurations from the left menu. After that, choose Integrations. Set up a new MQTT integration. You have to type in the broker, the username, and the password. It's very important to enable the automatic discovery. In a second, ANAVI Light Controller will be automatically discovered. The latest version of the open-source Arduino sketch for ANAVI Light Controller implements Home Assistant discovery via JSON message over MQTT. Everything happens behind the curtains and works out of the box. As you have seen, the difficult part is the Home Assistant installation and configuration of MQTT broker. Once you have this done, everything works like a charm. ANAVI Light Controller appears in the user interface of Home Assistant. From there, you can super easily change the colors of the 12-volt RGB LED strip, adjust the brightness, and my personal favorite super cool feature is to set different animations. It has been added by a contributor named Coderus in GitHub. . ANAVI Light Controller is entirely open source. It combines open source hardware with free and open source software. All repositories are in GitHub. We have several active contributors, and new features or bug fixes are always welcome. Thank you for watching. In future, I'm planning to record videos about controlling addressable LED strips. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned for new videos.